they are soon going to have Ekpe. I think one big man is dead now. You know, so they've come here to tell me about it, that they'll invite me. You know, need Ekpe. You know, that is the way it should be. But I don't think that is a major problem. If I want to invite Ekpe all around here, I can do so. But of what benefit is it? The benefit we will gain out of this thing is to see how we can explain Ekpe to the people. That's all. Who's going to do it?
That's what they have invited so many people. They have invited so many referents who have been preaching against Ekpe.
No, I will tell you that the reverends will not do much. Understand? The people are more important than the reverends.
I agree.
You see, if you people know that there is nothing bad in this business, you are not killing people, either by witchcraft or by putting poison in the food or in the drink and all that, people will begin to understand. If you tell people, look, this thing we are doing means this one means this one means that, you know, they'll come to appreciate that it is a good thing. So, because you have something which you don't want to show. You just want to go and talk generally. The argument between one another. You don't get anything out of it. Educate your people to know, all right, forget about it. What is actually the function of Mboko in Ekpe?
Mboko is just to make Ekpe to have the authority.
No. Well, you may put it that way, but how does he do it? How does he do it? So, no, listen. First of all, it's not everybody
who knows it.
Who knows it. Good. But then, the people who tend to know, what do they know about it? Why is it that lots of times the man who is in charge of Mboko dies poor? Why?
That one I will not be able to answer the question, sir.
Now, there's a reason for it, you see. There's a reason because the principles of doing it has been lost. If you go to take charge of it with an evil intention, it will backfire on you.
That is that.
But if you go with purity of mind, success is there.
Yes.
You see? And these are the things people would like to know. Those people who are members of Ekpe who are interested will be taught that, look, you just don't go and do it because you are in charge of it. It's not like that. You see, you are in fact taking charge of the Christ Center with authority to produce in perfection. That is the seat of it.